From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Certificate in Product Ownership Analysis, IIBA-CPOA, exam. What is Certificate in Product Ownership Analysis, IIBA-CPOA? Key benefits of earning the IIBA-CPOA certification. Knowledge areas. Preparation tips. 1. If there are similar questions about performance and security with the ready state product backlog items, PBIs, the Product Ownership Analysis, POA, practitioner can utilize this information to refine performance and security-related requirements so that the acceptance criteria can be modified accordingly. B. Inform the delivery team and customers about these PBIs. C. Keep monitoring the items as the average age of stories has not been crossed by these PBIs yet. D. Conduct extra sessions with the iteration manager to elaborate on the root cause. Answer: A. 2. In parallel to the team's iteration work in building product features, a product ownership analysis, POA, practitioner will define metrics, talk to stakeholders, complete testing, provide demo to management, prepare presentations. B. Resolve conflicts, reduce technical debt, arrange for testing, write test scenarios, bridge the technical gap. C. Refine the product backlog, provide clarity to any questions, communicate with customers, participate in PBI reviews, prepare for upcoming iteration review. D. Provide information, report to management, analyze user feedback, create backlog, define definition of done. Answer: C. 3. What happens when the product ownership analysis, POA, practitioner rejects a product backlog item, PBI, that has been marked done and the team decides the work cannot be completed? A. The change is added to the product backlog for revision work to change the roadmap. B. The change is added to the product backlog for revision work in the next iteration. C. The change is added to the product backlog for revision work to update the stakeholders. D. The change is added to the product backlog for revision work in the next release. Answer: B. 4. What steps are used in Kano analysis to help prioritize customers' needs? A. Choose data sets, develop report procedures, acquire customers, and report results. B. Select target features, develop customer questions, survey customers, and analyze results. C. Identify training topics, record customer uptake, train customers, and review results. D. Determine usage areas, track customer operations, test customers, and test results. Answer: B. 5. The Product Ownership Analysis (POA) practitioner has worked with the team to determine the value proposition and desired outcome for an initiative. This information enables the team to deliver often in A. Test the product with external stakeholders. B. Compare the delivery cost with the previous product. C. Release the product to identify changes. D. Test the product against the original vision. Answer: D. 6. When delivery metrics are defined, why would a product ownership analysis (POA) practitioner conduct an assessment on the metric or group of metrics? A. To determine whether delivery goals are being met. B. To confirm the timing of the delivery metrics. C. To ensure the metrics are clearly described. D. To verify that they are measurable. Answer: A. 7. Which visual technique can be used to understand the relationship between stakeholders and their influence on product decisions? A. Mind mapping. B. Brainstorming. C. Roadmap analysis. D. Market analysis. Answer: A. 8. How does a product ownership analysis (POA) practitioner act as an advocate for customers? A. Assesses and reviews feedback in isolation. B. Ensures the product being built will delight customers by exceeding their expectations of what they'd reasonably expect. C. Understands that the team are the true arbitrators of value delivery. D. Interacts with the emerging product as the customer would. Answer: B. 9. Which technique helps to ensure that a product or service is positioned around what the customer needs? A. Story mapping. B. Opportunity scoring. C. Brainstorming. D. Value proposition canvas. Answer: D. 10. Which component is used to determine how the product teams operate within the enterprise context? A. Market value. B. Collaboration. C. Time value. D. Brand value. Answer: B. 'Subscribe and like past question.